Good morning, student. Today in this session and in this chapter, we are going to study theorem 10.5. Let's see the theorem 10.5. So, theorem 10.5 is there is one and only one circle passing through three given non-collinear points. So, student, firstly I want to tell you what is the collinear points and non-collinear points. Collinear points means if we take 3 points, point A, point B and point C. Point A, B and C. If these points lie on straight line, so these points are called collinear points. If these points are not lie on the same straight line, so we can say that point A, B, C are non-collinear points. So, according to this theorem, we want to prove that on the three non-collinear points, only one circles passing. But how we can prove it? Let's see. Firstly, we take 3 points P, Q and R and join P to Q and Q to R. After that, we draw perpendicular bisector of line segment PQ and also draw the perpendicular bisector of line segment QR. Then join the intersecting points. Perpendicular bisector of PQ is AB and perpendicular bisector of QR is CD. So we can write here AB is perpendicular bisector of PQ and CD is the perpendicular bisector of QR. Perpendicular and also bisect PQ and QR, which is given in this figure. When we extend both perpendicular bisectors in up direction, we see that both perpendicular bisector intersect at point O. This point is here. So join the point P to O, which is given in this figure. Join P to O and O to R. So we find that triangle O M P, triangle O M Q, triangle O N Q and triangle O N R. So firstly, we take two triangles, triangle O M P R and triangle O M Q. In this triangle, we find that OM is equal to OM common side and PM is equal to MQ because OM is bisector of PQ, and angle OMP is equal to angle OMQ, that is equal to 90 degree. So we can say that YSAS congruence rule, triangle OMP is congruent to triangle OMQ. After that, we find here OP is equal to OQ. Question number first, that is by CPCT. CPCT means corresponding part of congruent. Again, we take triangle ONQ and triangle ONR. In this triangle, ON is equal to ON. Why? Because both are common side of both triangle, and QN is equal to NR because ON is bisector of QR. So angle ONQ is equal to angle ONR by SAS congruence rule. By SAS congruence rule, we can say that triangle ONQ is congruent to triangle ONR. This implies that we find that what OQ is equal to OR. OQ is equal to OR. Question number second. So student, from equation first and second, from equation first and second, we get what? OP is equal to OQ is equal to OR. अगर हम यहाँ से कंसीडर कर लें, लेट OP is equal to OQ is equal to OR, that is equal to small r. And by this radius, we draw a circle considering center O and radius R. मतलब सेंटर O और रेडियस R मान करके अगर हम एक सर्कल ड्रा करें इस प्रकार से, तो ये जो सर्कल है ये किस किस पॉइंट से पास कर रहा है? पॉइंट P, पॉइंट Q एंड पॉइंट R. So we have to prove that here three points P, Q, R are non-collinear point. Non-collinear points, and one and only one circle passing through it. One circle passing through these points. Passing through these points. तो स्टूडेंट हम कह सकते हैं कि अगर कोई भी आप थ्री नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स आप लेते हैं, जैसे यहाँ पर हमने थ्री कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स लिया, पॉइंट ए, पॉइंट पी, पॉइंट क्यू एंड पॉइंट आर, तो इन तीनों पॉइंट से सिर्फ एक ही सर्कल पास करेगा, जैसा कि हमने इसको कंस्ट्रक्ट भी करके आपको दिखाया और इसका हमने प्रूफ भी बताया आपको. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस थ्योरम वी आर गोइंग टू टेल यू एन एग्जाम्पल. लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट. So student, example first is the question from your exercise 10.3. Draw different pair of circle and how many points does each pair have in common? What is the maximum number of common points? तो हमें क्या करना है, डिफरेंट पेयर ऑफ सर्कल से ड्रा करना है और उसमें कितने पेयर ऑफ कॉमन पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं और कितने नंबर ऑफ मैक्सिमम पॉइंट्स हमें कॉमन यहां से मिलते हैं, इसको काउंट करके बताना है. सो सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज हियर. वी हैव टेक फर्स्ट टू सर्कल हुज सेंटर इज O and whose center is X. In these circles, we have find that no any common points. And again, we take two circle whose center is O and center is X. So first circle contain second circle. So no any common points in this. And in next circle we draw two circles which is intersect at one point. So we can say that these circles have one common point. And again we draw two circles. First center of the circle is O and center of circle of second is X. Both are intersect at point O. At only one point. Both are intersecting only one point. So we can say that it has only one common point. And last, we draw two circles by this way, whose center is O and X. Both are intersecting at point OP and Q. So student, here you can see that it has two common points. So dear student, you note down the statement of the theorems and also prove After that, you note down the solution of this question. Thank you.